Right, look, I take this deck and maybe shuffle like this. Maybe shuffle these cards like this. I take this pile and make a shuffle like this. It's really true shuffle, right? Now make a spread. It's really normal cards. And now maybe this cards is pile number 1, this cards pile number 2. And now this pile maybe cards 22, this cards maybe 26, why not? And next step I take this pile and maybe shuffle cards face up, shuffle cards face down, and shuffle like this. And now this pile house, card face up, card face down, it's really true. And now snap my finger and cards face up vanish. It's really amazing because full pile face down. Of course, face up card vanish and face up card production this pile like this. It's really amazing teleports, it's really easy to do, let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable triumph. It's really amazing card trick, it's really easy to do, it's really nice effects, it's really nice vanish, it's really nice teleports, it's really cool. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and of course maybe share this video your friend magician, why not? And now take this deck and teach this really nice card trick. Let's go. Before you stick, you make a little setup. You take this deck and deal 12, maybe 11 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. The next step, turn over this pile and this deck, drop it like this. Alright. The next step, take 1 cards, random cards, and put in her like this. And now your setup look like this. Full deck face up, 11 cards face down, and 1 cards face up. Alright. So, next step, you make a spread and show it this really normal deck. Of course, you don't show it like this. You make a spread like this. Maybe you make a fun like this, right? It's really anyway. So, you make a spread, show it this really normal deck, and now you make a shuffle like this. You take this pile and really shuffle, and now this pile, drop it like this. Of course, you control it this pile. Look, left hand take little pile, make a shuffle, and this pile, drop it like this. Alright. Alright, next step, you make a furrow. You take this pile, of course your left hand pile full cards face down, your right hand cards face up, card face down. Alright. The next step, you make a really normal furrow. It's really no secrets, alright? And next step, your left hand take this pile and now move it like this, alright? And now you make a break and jog like this, alright? It's really easy. And next step, you make a shuffle like this. Look, you shuffle and shuffle like this. It's really easy. And next step, you turn over this pile like this. Take this your pile, your right hand like this. And now you make a spread like this. Like this. Alright. The next step, you take this pile maybe like this. This is squeeze this pile like this. And now this pile squeeze like this. Alright. The next step, take this pile and this pile maybe 25 cards. Take this pile like this. Cards face up. And now you make a break these cards and show it like this, and maybe 26 cards. And now your right hand takes these cards face up like this, and now your left hand turn over this pile like this, a right hand drop this pile like this, right? Look, it's really easy. Squeeze, this pile maybe 22 cards, this pile maybe 26 cards, alright. And now 1 card's put in her. It's really easy transfers. Look, take this pile, show it to pile, make a break, and take this pile. Take these cards like this and turn over this to pile and drop it like this. Alright, next step, you take this pile and now you make a shuffle like this. You take little pile and now you move it like this. Your right hand turn over this pile, your left hand turn over this pile. Right, look. Zhik. Now make a full speed, take this pile and now you make a shuffle. Right? It's really nice optical illusion, look. Zhik, zhik, right. And next step you shuffle this pile. Of course this is full cards face up, and one card's covered this face down. It's really easy. So next step you shuffle like this, and now one card's face down, top of the deck, right? Top of the pile, I'm sorry. Next step you shuffle like this, right? Of course you full cards face up and one card's face down. And next step take maybe little pile, show it card face down, face up, take one card, show it these cards, and now your left hand turn over this pile like this, right? Look, it's really easy. Take this pile, show it like this, take this card, show it like this, and now your left hand move it like this. And next step, snap your finger, make a spread and show it this really full pile, cards face down, card face up, vanish. It's really amazing, it's really unbelievable. Squeeze this pile, and now you take this pile, snap your finger and show it this pile like this, and card face up, teleport to this pile. It's really easy to do, it's really amazing card triumph. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.